Hi guys, welcome. This is a short video on location of your battery on your BMW 5 Series and how to change one. So I've just bought a battery off of eBay, got the correct model, had a result, got it for 57 quid, delivered next day. So that was a bargain price compared to other prices I was getting. So location of your battery is in the back underneath this plate. You just got one little Phillips screwdriver in there. You can just see it just there. So I'm going to undo that and then remove this plate. So the screw's removed. Obviously the side panel, once you lift it out, that's just easily removed. And then you can lift this up. Just got to mind your cables around the back of your headlight. Don't want to catch any of them, cause further problems. So, and then you can see your battery. So I'll do some more and show you how to access it properly. So to remove this plastic tray, lift up your base in your boot and just prop it up with something. And then you've got two plastic nuts. You have one there and one there. So that you just take them off, they're 10mm. And then you can remove this part. It should just lift out. I won't be able to do it with one hand, so I'll take that out and then I'll come back. So once the tray is removed, you've got a bar going across and that's secured in with two 13mm bolts each end. Just see underneath around the back, the other one. So remove the bar and then disconnect your battery, doing the negative first. Okay, another little point, you've also got a securing bracket held in with a Phillips screw. So you got this, you undo that and then that releases the bracket at the bottom so you can get your battery out. So remove that and then we should be able to change the battery over. Just another thing to remove, you have these little plastic things that are tucked into the side of the battery, another type of support I guess. So just obviously unplug that and put it out.